Hey there, pool enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of poolside accessories with the latest upgrade from POOLHACKER. Introducing the POOLHACKER 2 Sets Poolside Storage Basket. If you're in the market for the best pool decks for above-ground pools, look no further. This innovative storage solution is designed to elevate your poolside experience. What sets this product apart? Let's talk about the upgrades. First up, we have the addition of elastic beads for exceptional stability. No more worries about slipping or tilting, even with poolside commotion. Keep your favorite beverages within arm's reach while you relax and soak up the sun. But wait, there's more. This versatile storage basket is not just for drinks. It's spacious enough to accommodate towels, sunglasses, sunscreen, and more. Plus, with included hooks and support bars, you can customize it to suit your needs. Now, before you click buy, a quick note on compatibility. This POOLHACKER storage basket is perfect for pools with a pipe outer diameter of 3 inches or less. Unfortunately, it's not suitable for hard wall or inflatable pools. So, whether you're lounging by the pool or hosting a poolside party, the POOLHACKER 2 Sets Poolside Storage Basket has you covered. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews like this one. Until next time, happy swimming!